Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Revi Abiusna. I'm from the Faculty of Farmasi Universitas Muhammadiyah Purwokerto. It is an honor for me to be able to share here back to high school to share, especially regarding this month SBMPTN material and title tips for success. So is in essence, we will discuss tips related to SBMPTN and my previous experience when facing SBMPTN about 3 years ago. So, introduction. Also, yes, 3 ago I was in the position of friends. Currently, I am busy being a student. Previously, here I want to equalize perception among us, equalize point of view, equates the classes related to SBMPTN. Actually, why is it important for us here to discuss the SBMPTN? Why is the discussion this time related to the SBMPTN? Why do we have to prepare and don't have to go far? Why do we have to go to college? Now, I'm sure my friends here must have had a vision like that for the future after graduating what you want on, and of course, your friends already knows what the urgency of going to college. But I want to try to discussion a little. The first is from graduating high school grades 10, 11, and 12 examination until finally we pass. Well, here we are at a point where there are many choices. For example, we continue our education or study. We can also go straight to work or, for example, help our parents get married, or even be unemployed. So, in truth, there are no wrong choice and no right one. Only here, because we discuss SBMPTN, I will continue on this path, continuing towards education, where after I graduated from high school there will be a new education, state college, and to continue it there are many choices ranging from official, PTN, PTS, and so on, and many pathways for PTN. There are SNMPTN, SBMPTN, and there are independent examination. This time, I want to discuss about the SBMPTN as a process. It is not really a process. Actually, this is not definitive. Definitive path, or maybe the time is not Siratal Mustaqim. Or maybe we can cause another path. For example, works or have other goals as long as the target are clear. Our goals are clear and our step will be short. Well, whereas most high school graduates, including my own, at the time didn't think like that. So the safest way, the most systematic way, and the exists way to achieve success, namely by continuing education, namely college. Well, the success I mean here is more about independent, but positively and financially. Therefore, it is important for us to learn and also important for the preparation of the SBMPTN. First, this is a path that everyone can follow and we can really prepare for it. Now there is a quote of Bill Gates, but this Bill Gates say that even though he quits and was also lucky in his career but got a bachelor's degree, etc., calls go to college. This is a more certain path to success. So why do you have to go to college? Because it is the surest, most systematic and easiest way for us to succeed. But that does mean there's no way to go back to the previous one. So if we already know the urgency, now we are talking about the SBMPTN. SBMPTN stands for Joint Selection to Enter State Universities, where we from all over Indonesia. High school graduated but that year and the previous year work together to work on question for high value times in order to be accepted in PTN. Now the problem is there are two types, namely TKA and TPS. This year might be only TPS, but the possibility that in the future there will be natural TKA. So it's a test of academic ability. The content is like our lesson in school. There are physics, chemistry, and so on. If so, there is general reading and writing comprehension and understanding, as well as quantitative knowledge. So it's kind of psychotists like to the years before, working together on issue on history, geography, economy, sociology, and mathematics. Now for scholastic content in according with TPS, it contains general reasoning as well as quantitative knowledge. So it's kind of psychotic like the year before, working together on issue of history, geography, economy, sociology, and mathematics. Now for the content of scholastic at TPS. The content is general reasoning such as quizzing, picture, flow of calculation, and if discussion here, English, main ideas, and so on, as well as quantitative knowledge such as basic mathematics, quadratic equation, and other. Directives, namely how to deal with the SBMPTN, from how to start learning. There are tips and tricks that you can apply and in preparing for the SBMPTN. First, from how to learn. Why is the method of learning important? First, you could say that the SBMPTN is very different from the question of the nationally examination. If the usual question for us are given a quiz, now what kind of problem description for this SBMPTN? Only the general material is given, so it's rare or the problem can be very broad and can be very deep. Therefore, how to learn is an important lesson that we have to learn effectively and efficiently, which is really necessary. There are three of these. The first, starting from zero, means making sure in studying first science, whether it's actual science such as mathematics, physics, or biology, and other. make sure that we understand the basic. Don't memory, but we don't know how to do it. Because in this way, our way of thinking, our logic, it is really tested, and the problem is that's not all we memorize. So make sure we get to the bottom of it. If you don't understand it, then we start from zero. For example, for algebra, simple equation, quadratic equation must be correct. For example, makes it a habit to learn to understand and how, why, when, which is more memorizing, but we also understand. Why is the possible? Why can this be? How is the process applied in exact science and or in science? That's my appear memories. For example, mathematics, physics. One, as much as possible, we understand the basic formula. Why does the formula exist? By understanding it, we will find it easier to do it later, and most formula are actually derivatives of the previous formula. So each form we will make a series of false grouping. With that, it makes it easier for us to understand and remember than to memory. 2. Cause the right study. 3. Cause the right methods. Material. For material about the question material, because in this material we put an understanding that will be tested in the problem, or there is already a pseudo, and get used to one chapter until it's finished, it's already understand, then move to another chapter, and don't make it a habit to very material that you don't understand. 2. Make connection, or basically fair science is related to each other, so and acknowledge, and one knowledge is also important for other. So if we learn thoroughly, because it will also be used in the future. Maturation from scratch. 3. Know yourself. Our ability has been point and practice make hands with yourself. Identify appropriate learning methods. Maybe your friends already know that there are visual ones. There are some study reference that are advances in reading until you understand. I study this for as a good book, a good one, and usually I read it until I understand, and if I don't understand, search the internet that I don't understand, or summaries, writes, create a min-maths. This is a reference for those of you who likes to see your own notes. You will understand better if you make a min-math. Retactic. This is a technicality that we already understand. Teaching the material beforehand can teach other. All talk to ourselves. If you return like there is a maturation of a concept. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.